Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of temporary hold unsuccessful. Try hold again, or you see insufficient funds. Now, before I continue, let me make this point clear. I've done a series of videos on this temporary hold unsuccessful thing. And this is the latest of all the videos I have done so far. And in this video, I will show you an update. There is a new update that is different from the old videos I have done. Some of you who have watched, if you don't take time to watch this video to the end, you won't be able to get a solution. And some of you will go and mention that I talk too much. Please take time and watch it, because I need to explain for you to understand the exact reason why it happens and how to solve it amicably or very well. Now, there are two major reasons why temporary hold unsuccessful happens. One, the number one reason is that you don't have enough money in your account. Temporary hold means that Facebook wants to check whether you have enough money in your debit card so that when you run the advert, you can pay. Okay, so it could be prepaid or postpaid. They just want to make sure that there is enough money. So when you click on try hold again, they are trying to check whether there is money in the debit card or the payment method that is attached to your other account. When you scroll down, you will see here under payment activity, when you scroll down, you will see payment activity, you will see the amount they were trying to hold. So make sure that you check the amount they are trying to hold. If you don't know how to check, how to come to this ad manager, for those who may not know, you just go to the ad manager. So from the ad manager, I just want to show you how to come to this business suite. How to come to this payment setting. So from ad manager, you just come here, click on the billing on the top left. And from the billing, from the billing, you select the advertising account you want. Okay, so that is how to come to this payment setting. Now, so if you check and the amount that is here in your bank account, make sure you have up to that. That's one of the reasons to solve it. If you have more than this particular amount in your bank and it is still not going through, if you have a second debit card, you can still try it. So now, sometimes you may be using a debit card that has a different amount, that has a different currency from your Facebook account currency. Make sure that you use an amount that is far bigger than the estimated amount, because the thing is that sometimes the exchange rate, the exchange rate your bank may be charging. For example, this $51 here, if my bank account currency is in Ghana cedis or Naira or Indian Rand, the amount that I have to calculate, because of the exchange rate, for example, if the exchange rate is 10 Ghana cedis per dollar, okay, then I will need to have about 510 Ghana cedis. But it may be that my bank is charging more than 10 cedis per dollar, or they are charging more than the amount that I am expecting. So it means that I have to increase, at least I should use about 12 or 15, so that the money will be far bigger, and in such a way that there is no way it will not be enough. So when you make sure that is done and you still try and it doesn't, the try hold, you click on the try hold again and it fails, or you change a new debit card. If you have a new debit card, try it. If it still fails, there is a second method that you will do. The second method is that you have to contact Facebook. Sometimes it is a technical problem from the Facebook, their end. So you have to contact them so that they will help you rectify the technicality of this issue. Okay, so this is what you will do. Go to facebook.com/business/help. Okay, when you get there, you scroll down and click on get started, find answers or contact support. So you click on get started. Now, let me emphasize here again that some of you will not have this particular option on. Some of you will not have it on. If you check and you don't have it, it means that you are not an active advertiser. Okay, if you are not an active advertiser, you will not get it. You won't have that option. So in that case, you will need to contact us to help you. Okay, you need to contact me, and then I will help you on how to get it resolved. So you switch your personal user account and then you click on continue. In fact, you can even go direct to facebook.com/business/help/support, and then you get to this place exactly. Now, when you come here, you click on, they will ask you to select the asset that you have the problem with. So you click on, they are asking me whether this is the one I have problem with. I will just click on something else. So they will ask me to select an asset. So in this case, my other account is disabled, or I need help with the failed payment. So let me just select my other account is disabled. Then they will ask you to select the other account. So for example, let's say just select one other account here. Then you see, because I already contacted them, they are telling me that there is an existing case. So for you, you could have just clicked on, you will not even have the existing case. So they will just ask you to create a new case. Okay. So when you click on create new case, for example, your own will even be like this. Okay. So you describe here. So you can describe that. You can say, hello, my there was a temporary hold of, for example, my own is $51. There was a temporary hold of $51 on my other account, and I have more than that amount. You can mention the specific amount you have in your debit card. So for my own, for example, I have more than $51 in my debit card. I have $500 in my debit card, and it is not going to, it is still telling me insufficient fund, but I know I have more money than that. Then you come here and take the screenshot of this place. Take the screenshot of this place. Okay, so you take the screenshot and attach the screenshot, add the description, put your number and your email, and click on the start chat. So when you click on the start chat, it will show they will open the live chat support for you. So let me just show you an example of what I had here. So it will take you to the page. They will open you to the messenger. It will open to the messenger. Okay, so it's a bit slow, but it's opening. Very good. So as you can see, I had contact with a Facebook Meta support team. Then the person contacted me, at least. Then we spoke in detail and all that. So at the end of the day, I'm able to describe my problem, and she has been able to help me. She has escalated it to the internal team. And on several occasions, when I do this, within 48 hours, they are able to get back to me and solve the problem. I've done this on several occasions and got a solution. So if you follow this exact procedure, you are going to get a solution. Okay. So you may, if you follow this and you still have any problem, please check the link in the description. You get a WhatsApp link to follow it and WhatsApp me, and I will help you out. Okay. Yeah, you get the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp me. I will help you out so that you will be able to solve this problem. And at the end of the day, you can advertise again on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. We've helped over 3,000 people, and we will help you too. Don't let it be so much of a worry to you. Our charges are affordable, and we will help you. Remember to subscribe to this channel, because I know most of you have watched this, but you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, and we'll see you in the next video.